Hello everyone, welcome to this module inside of which we're going to be creating the House app for our Django REST API. The House app is going to encompass all of the functionality that is associated with houses inside of our Django REST Framework API. Similar to our API/accounts, we're going to have a API/house endpoint, which is then going to encompass all of the functionality that relates to our House app. We're going to have just one endpoint that is going to be known as houses, which will give us a list of houses that are registered inside of the application. For each of the houses, we'll have information corresponding to them, such as the members of that house, the amount of members that are in this house, so account of the members, the description, the name, the task list for that specific house, and stuff like that. Furthermore, we'll also define some custom actions that we've not yet seen for our view sets, which will allow us to embed custom functionality for our view sets that was not available beforehand, such as joining or leaving a house, as well as having the ability to remove members if you're the manager for a house. We'll also implement custom permissions such that depending upon whether you're a manager or a member of a house, you'll have different privileges. So only managers for a house are going to be able to change the name, description for the house, while members would have the ability to actually complete tasks and edit task list and mark tasks as incomplete. So now that we have a basic overview of what we're going to be developing inside of this module, let's get going and let's create the House app. So to create the House app, it's going to be a fairly similar process to what we did for our Users app, where we're going to make sure that our virtual environment is activated. We're in the folder, which has the manage.py file, and then we're going to do manage.py, start app, and then from there, followed by the app's name. And in my case, the name of the app that I want is going to be House. Doing that, you're going to see that a new folder is going to appear inside of our source parent folder, which is going to have all of the boilerplate code for our newly created app. So now that we have the app created, the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to let our Django application know that it needs to use this app. So I'll go to the settings.py file, I'll go to where we have installed apps, and then following users, I'll add a new key, and this will be House. So once I have this, I'll add a comma, do Alt-Shift-F, Command, Save. And with this, if I just run our app and make sure that we do not have any errors, we can confirm that the installation was successful, and now the House app is also linked with our app. So now with this, I'm going to end this video here, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Thank you.